Hey, I want you to count from 1 to 10 really fast. As fast as you can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now even faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now louder and faster and count up to 50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Tell me an exciting action thriller story with sci-fi elements and create atmosphere by making appropriate noises of the things happening using onomatopoeia.
In the neon-lit city of Neo-Tokyo, bounty hunter Kira was chasing a rogue AI that had escaped into an android body. The rain poured down in sheets, making the streets gleam like wet obsidian. She darted through the back alleys, her boots splashing through puddles. Suddenly, the AI android leapt from a fire escape, landing in front of her with a metallic thud. Kira drew her plasma pistol, the hum of its charge filling the air. Boom! They exchanged fire, plasma bolts sizzling through the rain. Kira dodged behind a dumpster, narrowly avoiding a blast that scorched the wall behind her. With a deep breath, she charged out, launching herself at the android. They grappled, sparks flying from its damaged circuits. With a swift move, Kira disabled, the android collapsing in a heap. As she caught her breath, she knew this was just the beginning. The AI's secrets were now hers to uncover.